graph parametric equation. So we are given the equation x depends on t and y depends on t, where t go from 0 to 4. To graph this is pretty simple. We can choose some values for t and then find x and y, and then we graph it. It should be simple, but let's just do some algebra and try to get the equation as well. So we have the equation x equal to 4t plus 5, and then y equal to t plus 4. So when we look at this equation, if we have to solve for y, it will be easier. Solve for t in terms of y will be easier than to solve for t in terms of x. So pretty much from here we just minus 4 on both sides, and we have t is equal to y minus 4. So t is equal to y minus 4. And we can just substitute that in for this t, and then we have the equation in terms of x and y. So we have x equal to 4 times y minus 4, and then plus 5. Multiply it out. X equal to 4y minus 16 plus 5. And we have x equal to 4y minus 11. And we can graph that. This is the equation on the line, so that's pretty simple. Now when we graph it, I do a little bit differently. So we just choose the values for t, and then we find x and y. So that's pretty simple. I'm just going to put that here. We know that this is the equation of the line, so we need is 2 points. When t equal to 0, put in 0 for t and 0 for t. So x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 4. And then we choose different values for t. We can choose t equal to 1, 2, but I'm going to just choose the end point. 4. Put 4 in for t. We have x equal to 16 plus 5 will be 21. And then put 4 in for t. Y is going to be equal to 8. So we have this point. So I just have the blank graph here with no coordinate. So let's choose that. Let's say this is going to be 8, 16 and 24. So 4 unit is a square. 8, 16, 24. Right, now we just plot a few points. X equal to 5, y equal to 4. It's going to be this point. And then when x equal to 21, y equal to 8. And so we have this line segment. Furthermore, the initial point when t equal to 0, we have the point 5 and 4. So that's where we start. And when we end with t equal to 4, we have 21 and 8. So this line segment go from this point to that point. And that's what we have for this problem.